Canva is a fantastic tool for creators, and by now, a lot of us use it for graphic design and video projects. So how can you level up your content creation? In today's video, we're going to explain how you can add professional voiceovers to your videos in Canva. Whether you're creating a tutorial, doing a product demonstration, or enhancing a social media post, adding voiceover is a great way to add interest to any production. There are two ways to add voiceovers to your videos, either by recording directly in Canva or uploading a pre-recorded audio file. Keep in mind that if you want to use your own voice or hire a voice actor, you'll need to have some professional sounding equipment. You'll probably need to invest in an external microphone because usually the microphones built into laptops and computers just aren't the best quality. And of course, you'll also need to record in a quiet, distraction-free environment. To record in Canva, simply click on the menu, select Present and Record, and follow the prompts to record your voiceover. Then, once you're done, sync the audio with your visuals to make sure that everything lines up. And then if you don't want to use your own voice, don't have professional equipment, or don't have the budget to hire a voice actor, here is your second option. You can use Lovo's AI text-to-speech software to generate a voiceover and upload it to Canva. The great thing about Lovo's Genny is that you have a wide variety of voices with different accents and inflections to choose from that sound natural and professional. Plus, once you find a voice you really like, you can go ahead and use that one across all of your projects to make your content recognizable and consistent for viewers. So insert your script within Genny and select your desired voice. You can get previews of the voice by clicking on their profile pictures. Listen carefully to the generated audio and make sure that there weren't any typos in your original script. Then, once it's good to go, click Render and download your file. After generating the voiceover, upload the audio file to your Canva project by clicking on the Uploads tab on the left side panel, and then click on the audio icon. Drag it into your project and adjust as needed. You can adjust the length, add effects, or alter the volume. Using an AI-driven text-to-speech software like Genny is the fastest, easiest, and most cost-effective way to add voiceovers to your video. Plus, if you want to give Genny a try for your next project, click the link in the description for a 14-day free trial. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more content creation tips.